Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I wash and store vegetables. I have shared some tricks and hacks which works for me for storing veggies for long. Hope you all find this video helpful. Please like and share my video, so let's get started. Here I have included daily used veggies which I use often. So this is Malabar spinach. As you can see here, I am separating the leaves from the stem, and here I am putting them in a salt water for some time. It is very much important to us to wash each and every veggies before consuming. For ginger, first I take a clean brush and wash them with the running tap water. I clean the corner and edges with the help of toothbrush. This is unused toothbrush. I kept separate brush for cleaning veggies. Here is the coriander leaves. Here at first I cut the roots of the coriander leaves, then put them in salt water for some time. You can also disinfect the veggies by adding some vinegar to the water. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant. Tomatoes tend to get spoiled very soon. Which works for me is I don't keep them in refrigerator. I just keep them outside at room temperature. If you want to store in a fridge, store in a cloth bag or wrap it in a cloth so that moisture gets absorbed. So here I just wash them in a running tap water and leave them to air dry. I do same thing for the potatoes as well. For green chilies, first I remove their stems and put them in salt water for around 10 minutes. After soaking them in water for 10 to 15 minutes, now I put the veggies on a clean dry cloth and leave them for air dry. I leave the veggies to completely air dry before storing them in fridge, because veggies always tend to get moisture at cool temperature. By washing the veggies all together, you can save a lot of time and water as well. These hacks which I have shared works for me very well. I didn't find any problem till now. Here is one hack for you. You can place one more cloth on top to air dry the leafy veggies very soon, like this. I store tomato, potato and onion in my utility area by this stackable organizer which I bought from Amazon. You can find the link in description box. I store these veggies in room temperature. For green chili, ginger, coriander leaves, I keep them in this fridge organizer which has 3 divisions so that you can store 3 different veggies in one particular box, which saves many space in your fridge. I keep tissue paper in between the veggies so that tissue paper absorbs the extra moisture from it. You can store ginger and chili for more than 2 weeks, but coriander will be fresh for 1 week at least. I bring the veggies twice a week. I don't store veggies at home for more than a week or something. I bring only veggies which I consume in a week. By doing this, you will be having healthy and fresh veggies at home. Also, there will be no chances of wastage. I don't store leafy veggies for long. It is better to consume them in a couple of days as they don't have long shelf life. So here I am dividing them into 2 portions so that I can store them separately in fridge. By doing this, you can save lot of time. I make sure that I consume these veggies before a week. For cabbage, I just wrap them in a cling wrap and it is good for at least 1 week. I never faced any problem till now by doing this way. Lemons tend to get hard after some time, so here I have one tip. Use these kind of zip pouch foil bags, or else you can use normal foil paper as well. Just wrap them and store it in your fridge. Your lemons will be fresh for long. I store garlic at room temperature. They stay good at room temperature for long. I faced many problems in storing carrots. I tried many tips and hacks, nothing worked for me. I really don't remember. I found this tip on YouTube long back. This worked for me very well. That is, I just peel and cut the carrots and store them in a glass container. These carrots stays fresh for more than 2 to 3 weeks. And this is how I stored my regular used veggies. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel for more home related videos. Thank you so much for watching.